Imela, imela, imela okaka, imela chineke, imela onyoma. Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very, very necessary. So why don't you join me? Let's make this luxurious chicken sauce recipe. Very simple to prepare, yet taste amazingly great. You know we are still in the festive season, so more goodies to enjoy. So let's go. So to begin with, I neatly prep all my ingredients, starting with my onions. So I have all my ingredients here. I'll be listed in the description box so you check it out. So I have some bell peppers, carrots, my brown sugar, some onion, chili pepper, seasoning, oyster sauce, soya sauce, some salt to taste. And for my chicken, I'll be using this chicken breast. Yeah, so this is 2 kilograms of chicken breast. Very, very meaty. It's soft and tender. So I just cut it into biteable sizes. So now I marinate my chicken. So I add my Minced plus, that's my blended garlic, ginger, onion, and shallots. So I add 2 tablespoons of it, some salt to taste, some black pepper, horse pepper seasoning, chicken seasoning, soya sauce, oyster sauce, I add some corn flour, and then I stir it together for it to incorporate into the chicken here. So the chicken must be well seasoned. So I do this and then I refrigerate it for about 3 to 4 hours. But trust me, it's best done overnight. I love chicken because chicken has high protein content, which helps in sustaining our muscles. Yeah, it also helps in weight loss, especially when you remove the skin from it. Yes, and then chicken gives us healthy bones. So please, it's very necessary we enjoy some chicken. So after refrigerating, straight to my wok. So I add some oil. Then I add my Minced plus to season and then give flavor to my oil before adding my marinated chicken. So I stir gradually, then cover it up a bit and just look at how juicy our chicken is becoming. So this is just about 5 minutes on fire, and then this is the results we have. So I'll just cover it up and then allow it to cook for extra 2-3 minutes, but please on a medium to low heat. Chicken I juicy. Just look at how juicy it is. I love chicken. Yes. So at this point I add my green chili pepper and then my onion. And then please note, with this recipe, you don't need to overcook the veggies. We need to enjoy the crunchiness of the veggies, the freshness, and then its beautiful color. So I add my carrots first because it's a bit hard. And you can see this recipe, like I said, is the simplest you can get. So I cover it up for it to simmer for just 1 minute. And the aroma coming out, oh my goodness. Thank you, Jesus, for the gifts you have given me, tasty and fresh. So you can see our onions and carrots are still crunchy. So I add my bell peppers. And just look at how beautiful they are. I love sweet bell peppers because they are rich in vitamins and antioxidants. Yes, they help improve high health, and bell peppers are excellent addition to healthy diets. So please try and enjoy some sweet bell peppers. Just look at how beautiful and colorful our chicken sauce has become. Mouth-watering, eye-catching, and finger-licking. Yeah. So I just stir it gently. So just be generous on the sauce. Don't stir it rigorously, just be generous on it. So I add a bit of my soya sauce and oyster sauce for more flavor, taste, and color. Yes, and then I add my brown sugar. Yeah, this is where the sweetness comes in. Evee, when we are with the but please, adding brown sugar is optional. That is my own style. It takes my sauce to a different level, and I bet you, please try it, you're gonna love it. So now I add my corn flour where the thickness comes in. If you don't have corn flour, you can use normal flour. Yeah, corn starch, I mean. And just look at the outcome. Oh my goodness. Everybody was like, Evee, just give me some more. Yeah, like I said, Christmas is all about enjoying because our Savior is born. So at this point, our chicken sauce is ready. So I'm gonna enjoy it with some rice. Yeah, you can also enjoy with some bread, some potato, and trust me, you will never regret doing this recipe. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys. God bless you. See you in our next video. Merry